everyone, it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel. Did you go shopping for Christmas yet? And did you find anything? Today's video I'm going to share with you some idea about Christmas gift that you could make for your family and friends. They are all very easy to make, will take you under 30 minutes to finish, but I believe everyone will need it and they're gonna love it because you make it. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so we can see each other next week. Now, let's start!
The first project is Christmas pillow cover. I cut a rectangle with 72 cm length and 52 cm width. At one side of the width, I fold the edge of the fabric 2 times to hide the cutting, then sewing. After that, I cut another rectangle with the same width, which is 52 cm, and 92 cm length, which is 20 cm longer than the first rectangle. Then folding one edge of the width side similar to what I did to the first rectangle. After sewing, I fold 2 rectangles together. Make sure 2 right faces of the rectangles facing each other and the seam you just make stay at the same side. Then I connect them together by the pins. Add the extra fabric of the second rectangle. I fold it inside over the first rectangle. It will be the open area of the pillow. After sewing, don't forget to overlock the fabric to make the inside seam look nicer. Upside the pillow after that and we finish this project. Here my new Christmas pillow. It has 2 different sizes, so I can change when I want to have a new look for my pillows. The second project is a drawstring bed. You need a rectangle with 40 cm width and 86 cm length. Fold the rectangle in half at the length. Then the width will be the open area of the bed. At the top, I'm drawing a horizontal line at 6 cm under the top line. After that, I fold the top line to the line I just drew and sewing to create the fabric hole for the wrap to go through after that. I cut another smaller rectangle with 5 cm length and 15 cm width. I fold the rectangle in half at the length, then sewing. After that, I upside the fabric and cut it into 2 pieces, so its P will be around 7 cm. Keep folding its P in half and sewing 2 ends of it together. There will be the connected part between the bed and the rug. Now I'm connecting 2 sides of the bed together by the pins first. Then I put 2 small pieces at 5 cm above the end of the bed at 2 sides after that. Make sure to have an extra seam at the small pieces to make it stronger. After upside the bed, you just need to put the wrap through 2 small pieces and the fabric hole at the top. And I finished this project. You can use this bed to put your shoe for the gym or your stuff for an outing day. The third project is a tote bed or grocery bed. You need to cut a rectangle with 40 cm width and 90 cm length. Fold the rectangle in half at the length, then sew in. Don't forget overlocking after that. I cut 2 other rectangles with 8 cm width and 60 cm length to create the handle for the bed. I use the iron to create the folding at 2 sides of the width with around 1 cm first. Then I fold them again. It's similar to the bias tab. Then sewing. Next step, I cut another rectangle with 6 cm width and 38 cm length. I connect 2 ends of the width together to have a circle fabric. After that, I connect this circle fabric to the top of the bed. At 2 sides of the top, I mark at 7 cm inside. There will be the positions for the handle after. Now I'm putting the handles to their positions, then sewing to connect them on together. After sewing, fold the other end of the circle fabric inside, then making another seam outside at the top of the bed. The last step is folding the end of the circle fabric inside around 1 cm, then sewing. And I finished this project. Let's see my final result. A tote bag is very easy to wear with the different styles. You can use it as a normal bag or a grocery bag. The last project is per face mask and chain. 2020 is a very special year to the whole world. And who would think a face mask can become so important like it is now? And it even becomes a fashion style. So why not make your mask not only protect yourself but also look nicer? I use the templates for the mask from my face mask video. You can download the templates in my description or check out my tutorial to make one for you. I use a pretty thick cotton fabric for this project to increase the protection. After cutting 4 pieces of the template, I connect 2 pieces together at the nose side to have 1 layer for the mask. You can make 3 or 4 layers if you want more protection. After sewing, I connect 2 layers together at the upper and under lines. Upside the mask after that. I fold the end of the fabric inside around 1.5 cm first. Then I use the soft elastic band with around 15 cm length to connect to 2 ends of the mask, then sewing. I used a small plastic pearl to put on outside of the mask and using a glue gun to do it. I also used the plastic pearl to make the chain for the face mask. Put the pearls to the crystal strings until the length is around 60 cm. Then I use 2 small lockers for 2 ends of the chains, so I can connect the chain to any mask I want. And I finished this project. Here's my final result. With this project, you just upgrade your face mask to another level. It's so pretty and stylish now, isn't it? You even can make it match your outfit. I hope you like this Christmas gift idea, and let's go to make some for your loved one. Merry Christmas, everyone!